The earth, the mother of life. Nature doesn't need the people, but people need the nature. Human beings are a part of nature. Nature is not dependent on human being to exist. And the other hand are totally dependent on nature to exist. The growing number of people on the planet and how we live here is going to determine the future of nature. And the future of us. Nature will go on. No matter what, it will evolve. The question is, will it be with us or without us? If nature could talk, it would probably say it doesn't much matter either way. Stop hurting the earth for our next generation. We take nothing but pictures. We kill nothing but times. We leave nothing but traces.
you.